Last video I told you guys we emptied out part of this closet, so I moved my t-shirt rack in there. We're gonna organize this on another day, but this little dresser here, I'm gonna wipe it down real good and take all the stuff out of it and move it over to my other room. Also meant to ask you guys, should I drop this hoodie? Should I drop this hoodie? I'm currently editing last week's vlog. This was an Airbnb days in my life vlog where I'm prepping. I'll tag the video for you guys. Go check it out. I'm editing that, and I also have this order right here that I need to pack. So I'm going to pack that with you guys and probably make a TikTok. So let me get you guys set up and get my phone set up so that I can film that TikTok. Go ahead and get this shipped out as soon as possible because I'm sure they're going to want to wear it for Easter, and Easter is in just a couple of days.
Something about your smile, something about the way you move, really turns me out. Got me so into you. It's your smile, it's the way you move, it turns me out. Got me so into you. You and I, how did we get so tied up, so tied?
I packed this order all up and I made a TikTok about it. So I just need to drop this off at the post office and this order is all good to go. I forgot to show you guys that I was making car coasters. I made some car coasters. Here's a few of the designs. I have a few other ones, but I have them out in my car. You can shop that at shopdaisy.com. The link is always in the description. It took some trial and error for some of the designs. I went back and completely redesigned this. So now there's a background behind it. And I'm going to print. I haven't quite printed this one out just yet. So I will definitely be redoing this one. This one, I completely revamped it. I got rid of the words and the extra circle around it and just made the design itself the entire coaster, which is that one. I redesigned this one. I made it bigger, so this looks completely different. That is this one. So took a little bit of trial and error, but we did make some car coasters. I have those up on my website right now. I don't really have much left on my agenda today, so I will see you guys probably tomorrow. If not tomorrow, I'll see you Monday, because today is Thursday. So see you guys tomorrow. Hey y'all, I am packing some orders. I wasn't gonna come and do them today. I was just gonna wait until Monday and take today off because I have a package that's supposed to be coming to my house, so I want it to be there when it got there. You know, porch pirates are a thing. Here they literally go out during the daytime and will snatch your package. Like, they follow the trucks. I'm packing this order. I really should film it for TikTok so that I have more content for TikTok. Like it. I can't today. Not today. I'm gonna do a time lapse. I've started doing sublimation. This was my very first cup and it doesn't look horrible. I probably could have did it for a little bit longer to get a little bit more vibrant of a color, but this actually isn't bad. I'm gonna keep this and use it. I'd made a TikTok on making this, so check out my TikTok at shop.daisy. It's the same username for my social. Also been making sublimation coasters. I'm working on the sizing, so I'm still gonna use these, but I made the design bigger and I taped them directly in the middle, so this batch should come out a lot better. These were all testers. I will show you guys the finished product of these. I packed my orders and now I'm gonna go drop them off at the post office. But first I'm gonna get me something to eat. I think I'm gonna get a salad from the gyro place, if the line isn't too long, but honestly I'll wait in the line because it's a line. So I don't have anything else on my to-do list today besides editing some pictures for the website for the new car coaster drop. And that's really it. It's 12 o'clock right now, so let me go and do that. Good morning. I just left the hotel, setting up the 360 photo booth. I was a little shy to record, so I didn't record for y'all. Sorry. Otherwise, I would have. So I'll probably be back later to pick it up. Not today. I think Sunday, Saturday. We are at 245 subscribers and 239 videos. At least 200 of those videos are tube shorts, so don't be fooled by that number. But I did go through and redo all of my thumbnails for the Small Business Diaries and so on. I need to go back and re-edit these two, but I might not. I think I'm gonna just leave them there how they are. This is what they look like. And then I have shorts. And yeah, this was the most recent video that I posted. Clean my Airbnb with me. I'm gonna put the little card right here on the top of the screen for you guys, so go check it out and watch it. I'm giving you a tour of my Nashville Airbnb, showing you guys a little bit about how I clean it and what things to look for when you're cleaning an Airbnb. I just came back from the phone store dropping off the package for UPS. I forgot to film. I wasn't in there long, so it wasn't much to film anyways, but I went ahead and dropped off that package, and I got me a little snack for lunch. The good old Sonic never does me wrong, so let's go in and eat. And I'm probably gonna go ahead and end this vlog off because it's been like 4 days, I think. I already have a lot of footage to go ahead and sort through, so I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.